Folks, we're here with Angela to prove that she does help do trees. Now, this is her fruit and vegetable ornament collection that my mom started us on, and the girls just took over and they love it. They've added to it for, what, 13 years now? Yeah. So, it's really extra good. And we're going to show them right here on my take on Home and Garden. Folks, we thought you'd like to see some of these beautiful ornaments because once they're on the tree, they're kind of buried and lost, even though we'll go slow when we do the home tour and we'll show them the best we can. But they still get lost, but we want to show you some of the favorites and some of how cute.
So like you said, we got these, we started this collection quite a few years ago, and every year my daughter and Jeff adds to the collection. They give me, new ones for Christmas. So like this last year, for instance, Austria got me this beautiful blueberry muffin. It is so cute. And it's by Old World Christmas. And if any of you know Old World Christmas, they're very collectible, and they just make the most beautiful glass blown ornaments. So that's that one. And then I love this one. This one is like a little stack of waffles with some berries on the top. Isn't that adorable?
Oh man, my favorites. I love the food too, like any of us would, but I gotta tell you, I'm nuts about the fruit. Okay, like this is from before we even got together.
Right.
This came from Joann's back when they were really good. And I'm nuts about the fruit. It's oversized for, compared to some of them. But look at the slice of orange.
I know, I love those.
And that's sliced the wide way, and then you got a slice like this is like a wedge,
Every single one of these is cute. Like here's a pomegranate cut in half. So adorable. And the piece of pumpkin pie, that's the best. Love this one.
So this has been a tradition now for years, and we usually did the two trees in the dining room, but we changed our theme, and she wanted to do something different to mix it up and make it fun. Look at the pea pod. I don't know where you're gonna go, folks. It's a frosty pea pod, but it goes on, and we talked about the pickle in the Christmas tree. See, even this tree will get a little pickle. Go ahead, honey.
How about that asparagus over there? It's over near you.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that the cutest?
Tied in a bundle.
Asparagus. So anyway, most of them are fruit and vegetables, but the kids have started adding on like more now. So now you'll see I have a slice of cheesecake now, and this stack of pancakes. That's so adorable. And somebody last year got me the coffee.
Me, I'm somebody.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I got you the coffee bean sack.
Yeah, the coffee.
I love the partially peeled banana. Too good. Too good. And it goes on and on.
It does. And we're going to put the tree together, my daughter and I, and then we're going to show you guys how it looks when we're done.
So we thought you'd like to get a peek at that.
Yeah.
This too, again, when they do a slice like this peach, and then the pit is still there, sticking out 3D, and the outside actually looks fuzzy. I mean, they're just cute as heck.
Yeah.
But the girls are going to do the fruit and vegetable tree, and then we're going to show it all done. Now here's the Nutcracker, folks. Nutcracker tree. just about finished up. Thought we'd give you a look. And I thought I'd show you that before we move on to the next tree. I like a skirt. I usually like a white cotton sheet or something. You know, we don't buy them. I think they're overpriced and ridiculous, especially with as many trees as we have. You can see all the bigger nutcrackers hiding around, putting their army together. So, alrighty. You know I'll add something to it eventually, but it's pretty much done. For me, it's a little light, but I got so many I gotta make sure I got enough. So we'll see you at the next tree. So here's the fruit and vegetable tree the girls did. They got it all done. Isn't it cute? That's just a peek at it for now. We'll see it in some more detail in another video. Thanks guys. Thanks for coming by.